The first step is creating the hung curd. Here I'm using a yogurt cheese maker to drain out the water of the yogurt, but you can also use a strainer or hang the yogurt in a muslin cloth. Refrigerate it for 5 to 6 hours while the process takes place. Here is what we will need: 1 tablespoon rose water, half cup condensed milk, hung curd of 1½ cup yogurt, and 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. For the doughy or yogurt mixture, first add the condensed milk to the hung curd and give it a nice stir. Then add the cardamom powder and rose water and whisk it well until you have a smooth batter. It's time to bake the doughy or yogurt. Generously grease 2 ramekins with melted butter, then evenly split the mixture between them. Place the ramekins in a baking tray and pour boiling water from one corner until they're immersed 3/4 into the water, then cover the pan with foil. Bake in a preheated oven at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Leave the ramekins out until room temperature, then refrigerate them for 1 to 2 hours until ready to eat. To unmold, slightly press down around the surface, then flip the ramekin and rub the top with a warm cloth. Give it a nice tap and voila! There you have it!